Welcome, and in this video, we'll explore the different tabs inside the finance section and learn how each one helps manage your business finances. Okay, so below the dashboard, you'll find the finance navigation menu. So the first one we have here, overview. So hang on, the overview tab provides a complete summary of your financial performance. It combines your revenue, expenses, cash flow, outstanding receivables, payables, forecasts, and financial charts into one easy to read dashboard. And the next one we have here, hang on, we have here expenses. Okay, the expense tab helps you track every business expense. To add a new expense, you can click add record expense, and of course you need to fill this one. After you finish filing this one, you will click this record expense and it will be saved. Okay, so this ensures every expense is properly recorded and reflected in your financial reports. Okay, see here, like for example, we have this one, payment to Amen Airport. You'll see this one, agent wallet, of course, you'll see here, and so many more. And then you can also upload a receipt. So just click this one and click again this one, and you can upload receipt here. Okay, the next one we have here, oh, I forgot, we have here income. So in income, there will be a revenue this month, AR outstanding summary, and AVG invoice value. So here in income, there are payment. You'll see here the payment, cash, bank transfer, of course, PayPal, like that. And then you can also filter this if it's bank transfer, credit card, cash, check, online, or other. And all sources as well. You can have the invoice, rental, trip, hatch, and manual. We have here next is the paid invoices as well, you'll see here. And also you can send reminder, and of course you can share link as well, and then you can copy and you can send this to them so that they will have a portal. They will see a portal and they will be see how much they are going to pay. Okay, and then hang on, like that. This one is invoice 2026 10/12. You're gonna have overdue 196 days past due. Look at this one, of course, invoice number, the agency, of course, the details, bill to Jean Look, and then there are description, quantity, unit price, tax, total, of course, the grand total as well. You'll see here payments. You can record payment as I've told you before. Just click this one, very easy, right? And then of course there's an action. Share invoice and via email, WhatsApp, you can download PDF or simply delete this invoice. There's also booking P&L rather. You can supplier cost, you can add cost and agent commission, and then add commission, and we can go back here to the finance section. Hang on, still loading. And then income. And then next we have AR aging. So you'll see here the current 1 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days, 90 plus days. Okay, so gonna have this current. This one is 23 days overdue. This one is 31 to 60 days overdue. Sounds good, right? Because you'll see a lot of what you call this, overdue payments. Okay, next one we have here recurring invoices. So in here, no payment set, but if ever that you're gonna add a new recurring invoice, just simply click this one and new recurring invoice will show up. Of course, you need to have the recipient name, recipient email, of course, description, amount, currency, tax, percentage, frequency, days of month, start date, end date, and you can just click auto send email and then save. Okay. The next one we have here, bank. You're gonna see here total cash, accounts, unreconciled, match unmatched, total, match percentage. Of course, there will be bank categorized rules. You can simply add rules. Of course, you need to fill this one and then click save. You can click apply now as well. Of course, we have here bank accounts. You can simply add bank account and it will redirect here. Add bank account and there will be this one. You need to fill this one and then click create. Okay. Go back to finance. Hang on. Yeah, you can also filter. Where are we in the expense? Hang on. For the income here, for the payments, you can record payment here or this one. As I've told you, you need to complete this one, link to invoice, of course. Have the amount, have the currency, payment method, reference, and notes. So if the payment is linked to an invoice, Travel Boost automatically updates the invoice balance and payment status. Okay? Hang on. For the bank again, so the bank tab allows you to monitor your bank or business bank transaction and account balances. So this provides a centralized view of your financial activity, helping you reconcile transaction and monitor available funds. Okay. And then now that you for the reports and business intelligence, I have a separate video for this one. So now that you know how to manage your daily financial transactions, let's explore one of the powerful tools in Travel Boost, the finance reports and business intelligence dashboards in the next video. Thank you so much for listening.